Creating Point in Civil 3D, created by Ahmed Dmour. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to create point using various practical methods in Civil 3D, including alignment-based creation, interpolation, surface reference, slope, intersection tools. Creating points. In Civil 3D, points are essential for referencing key positions in your design, such as ground features, survey locations, control points. Unlike simple AutoCAD points, Civil 3D COGO points contain data like elevation, description, coordinates. They can also be styled, grouped, and analyzed, which makes them the backbone of your surface alignment and corridor designs. Let's explore the multiple methods to create point in Civil 3D. Creating points using miscellaneous methods. In Civil 3D, points using miscellaneous methods refers to a collection of tools for creating points based on various criteria beyond the standard coordinate, input, or object snapping. These methods allow users to create points at object vertices, along lines and curves, by restriction, and more. From home, create ground data, then points, and create points miscellaneous. Method 1. Manual point entry. This is the simplest way to add a point by clicking directly in the drawing or entering coordinates in the command line. Example, let's say you are mapping the location of a utility pole. Click in Manual, then enter X and Y coordinate to specify a location for a new point, minus 53738.49 meter and comma 31728.36. Enter a point description as utility pole 1, then enter. Specify a point elevation 40.34 meters. Enter. A result, a COGO point is created at specific coordinates, elevation. Now you can change point style. Select the point, properties, and from information, change style to utility pole and point label style as point elevation description. If you encounter this problem and the label formatting doesn't appear next to the point as it appears now, go to All Points, then Properties. From point label style, change it from None to Point Elevation Description as a default point label style, then OK. After that will appear in the map as shown. Method 2. Northing and Easting. In Civil 3D, northing and easting refers to create lines by specifying coordinates in the form of northing and easting values. This method allows user to define line segments by directly inputting the coordinates of points, providing a precise way to define geometry. In point, miscellaneous, northing and easting, input northing, easting, point description, benchmark 1, elevation 40 as benchmark. This method is useful for placing control points or boundary corners based on survey reports. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.